In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink an email address in Canva. Whether you're designing a flyer, a digital invitation, a newsletter, or any other type of visual content, adding an email hyperlink can make it much easier for your audience to contact you directly. This is a simple but very effective way to make your designs interactive, professional, and functional, giving anyone who sees your work an easy way to reach out to you instantly. First, open your Canva project where you want to add the email link. If you haven't started your design yet, go ahead and create a new project or open an existing one. Once your design is open, the first step is to select the text where you want to insert the email link. This could be a title, a subtitle, or even a single sentence. Simply click on the text box and it will become highlighted, showing that it is active and ready for editing. Once the text is highlighted, look at the toolbar above your design. On the right side of this toolbar, you will see 3 small dots arranged in a line. These dots are often referred to as the More icon. Clicking on them will open a drop-down menu with additional options for customizing your text and other elements. This menu is where Canva hides some of its most useful features, including the one we need for adding hyperlinks. In the drop-down menu, find the link option, usually represented by a small chain icon. Click on this and a link settings box will appear. Now it's time to type in your email address. To make sure it works correctly, you need to type it in the proper format, including the mail to colon prefix before the actual email. For example, it should look like this: mail to colon your email at example.com. This prefix ensures that when someone clicks on the text, their default email client automatically opens a new message addressed to you. After entering your email correctly, click Done to apply the hyperlink to the selected text. That's it. Your email is now embedded directly into your design. To make sure everything works as expected, you can test it by clicking on the text yourself. Doing this should open your default email program with a new message ready to go. This small but powerful step makes your designs much more user-friendly and interactive, and it's perfect for marketing materials, invitations, or any project where you want people to reach out easily. Remember, adding clickable elements like email links can elevate your visual content from something static to something practical and engaging. It's a quick, professional touch that demonstrates attention to detail. Thank you for watching this Canva tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Happy hyperlinking!